Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to pin a comment on YouTube. The most important thing that you should know that you can only pin comments on your own channel. You can't pin comments on other people's videos. So as I will show you now, so this one is one of my videos. And to pin a comment, I should just go to any comment, click on the three dots next to it, and as you can see, the first option is pin. So when I click on it, and it asks me if I really want to pin this comment, I click again on pin, and this comment is pinned, as you can see. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and see you in the